Go. Hey, here's the ball. Hey, here's the ball. Go ahead. Grab the ball. Don't worry about the camera. Go grab the ball. Go ahead, throw the ball. Go ahead. Oh, where'd it go? Go get it. Okay, next thing you gotta do is learn how to catch.
Oh yeah, he also put it back.
Go get the ball. The ball's over there.
Oh my God.
Where are you going? Oh, you're going to get the soccer ball. There's a smart man. Go ahead. Ready? No, Ethan, one ball, not all of them. Alright, so you're not too good with a basketball. That's a good thing. One at a time, buddy. One at a time, Ethan.